One more another day again. Ang akong alaga gisapot na sad. Now, Mommy, can you smile her? Smile. Now again. In again. Na 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 na. Come back, volleyball. It's me, the organic fish. Gisapot na sad. In my life is like this. Yeah, driver. The driver is here. The driver is so handsome. Pero dili siya makalingon. Guys, you need to be happy in your life because life is too short. No one can stay this world. Life is too short so you have to do happy every day, every night, every morning. So enjoy life because life is too short. When you are going to die, you cannot do happy in your life. Life is no more. What's wrong with you? He is happy boy. This boy is always magulanon. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I'm always happy in my life, even though everybody have a problem, but keep problem throw away.
Is he making radio?
Yes. The driver is laughing. Can you see here, my friend? The driver is so handsome. Look, it's handsome.
Hi.
I don't think so if he has a girlfriend. I don't. So the driver said hi to everyone. He is from Pakistan, but I don't think so he's happy in his life. Stay happy in your life, guys. Don't think that I have no problem. I have problem in love life. The driver is laughing. In love life because man can stay with me because I'm funny. Funny person, you cannot find a love life in your life because you know what? They're not stay with you because of your attitude. Your attitude is it's even though even me I can't understand what I have a attitude. What I have even me I don't know what is my attitude because my attitude always laughing, always drink coffee, and always in the Starbucks. Even though my pocket is no more inside pocket, no more fine, no more money ba. So it means no more money. Sorry, my English is complicated, but it's the driver is laughing. But I am happy without love life. Yeah. Because if you're doing your life always like this, always crying, always thinking, is stressful, you can't not stay in your life successful because you are always thinking about the problem. Money you can find. Happiness, I don't think so. If I can find happiness about like happiness, I mean like a bid time. Wala, really. I'm crazy now. Bye-bye, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, Mambi. See, bye-bye. See, bye-bye. Put like this your hands. Bye. Also the driver. Bye, driver. Handsome driver is here.
So this is
What, guys?
live video or making the video?
Video.
Live video.
Yeah. See, life is too short, right? To be happy.
Hi. How are you? People watching the video?
Yes, because I am blogger in the YouTube.
Ah,
You subscribe me, Alona Tampos, you can watch your piece in the video. See,
very good.
peace be with you. Handsome
You then,
driver, guys.
I'll subscribe you.
Yeah, you subscribe me. Thank you so much. Oh, I have a subscriber now. See, boy, mommy don't like always your face like this. You see like this, like Nana always laughing. Bye, guys. Thank you so much. Stay on the 290, guys. I stay until 9 o'clock. 290. Ay, nikatawa na akong alaga. Smile now. Smile your face. And smile your face. And don't cry, okay? You do like Nana. Nana always laughing. Okay? No cry, okay? Okay, bye. I love you all. Bye.
Madam, the same place, the New York University, the same?
Yes,
Nursery?
go. Yes, go straight only.
Go straight.
Yeah. Don't go straight. This is left. Then go straight.
Ah,
Follow this car.
I know. Oh,
Yeah, just go straight and the last of the signal before you turn about right.
okay.
By the way, guys, sorry guys, I'm too much talking because the drivers need love life also. Bye. Laughing, mommy. Smile. Bye-bye, guys. Bye. Thank you so much. Love you all.